versuchen jetzt hier Gold zu finden.
Ja. Weißt du das?
Es ist echt gut. Finde ich echt toll, die Goldmaschine. Aber dann müssen wir schauen, ob die auch... Wir müssen den ganzen Tag noch schaufeln.
Ja, müsste man. Ja. Printed Sluice. This is the GFK body. Here you see the minus moss and my 3D printed riffle. Not high end. It has to be improved, but for the first time it will work. Here you see the dirt. And now I will try to build it out. Hello Aaron, you asked me how to bring it out, and now I will show it to you. This is a 3D printed riffle first try. It has to make thicker and something other. And here you can see the minus moss. A lot of sand. It can wash out like any other. And to put it in shape, it's very easy. Here it's silicone. Here it's silicone. Later I must try to build something better, but now it's for testing, it's alright. Here you can put the mats and to press the riffle, and maybe now it's ready to go. What do you think? Is it working? Immer da oben. Das ist irgendwie verstopft die Pumpe immer. zu viel Dreck drin. Das verstopft die Pumpe immer. Oh,
Ein kleiner Felsen kaputt. Ist das schon Gold?
das sieht man erst immer am Ende des Tages. Muss man den ganzen Tag schaufeln. Aber ob hier eins ist, das glaube ich nicht, aber ich will ja nur probieren, ob das funktioniert hier. Das habe ich gedruckt, das habe ich gedruckt, das habe ich gedruckt und das habe ich selber gebastelt.
Und den Eimer hast du gekauft.
Den Eimer habe ich gekauft, genau. Und jetzt probiere ich, ob das funktioniert. Aber wahrscheinlich.
Funktioniert richtig gut schon.
Ja, ich weiß es nicht. Schwarzer Sand ist schon mal gut.
Ich mitspielen. Ja, ich auch. Und mal ich war erst. Ich auch mitmachen. Nein, ich muss zuerst sein. Es ist echt gut. Finde ich echt toll, die Goldmaschine. Aber da müssen wir schon auf die auch. Wir müssen den ganzen Tag noch schaufeln.
Ja, müsste man, ja.
Ja, wir schauen mal, ob wir.
Aber dass man im Sandkasten was findet, ist ja unwahrscheinlich. Eher am Fluss. Aber zum Probieren ist es halt ideal jetzt.
Wir versuchen jetzt hier Gold zu finden. Ja.
Okay, here I need a new funnel, a longer funnel, or another solution how to bring the water still in the first part of the sluice. Okay, we can stop it now. Here's a pump, 11 gallon pump. And now Aaron and dear followers, it's easy for this solution to take it out. Hier ist minus moss. Here can I wash it out minus moss. Very easy here to make it. And if you did not catch the gold today, we will catch it the next. Don't worry. Okay, here you can see here. Maybe you can catch some heavies. Or here. So we can let it dry. And maybe first I clear the water here. Some shaking to that the heavies goes down a little bit. And then I let the water go away. And let the sand and the water out. So you know the game, shake it. Shake it to bring the heaviest down to the bottom of the pan. Okay, wash out the first layers and pick. If you see the black sand, you have to go back and shake the heaviest down to the bottom. Now wash it out. Okay, here you see the black sand, and it's time to take away the big stones. Here you can take out, but please tow it through the water. That the gold flakes were washed up. Okay, here. Okay. You don't have to need these riffles. I guess it's not important. It's important to have time, take time. Okay. Okay, so shake it. Don't expect any gold. It's a playground here, but we will see. To test the Dream Mat copy, it's good. So you see a lot of black sand here, or red sand. Okay, once again, the stones have through out. I will take the sand back to me and look at the microscope. Maybe I can find some micro gold. Or maybe I can find nothing, but it's all an adventure. And I guess my Dream Mat works, and oh, here maybe. Look, you can see it. Maybe there's gold. I don't know what this is. It's maybe too light. I've no. Okay. Yes, it's gold. You see, I find some gold in the playground sand. I can't believe. And it's a great flake. Oh, must keep the address. Some flower gold, but it's gold.